Everyone. So I just want to do a quick kind of demonstration about how you can use your outline to create paragraphs for your paper. So this is the outline I created last time, the sample personal essay that I posted. I think I did a little demo with it in the last video, and I also posted it as an example in your announcement. So you can see that I've got basically like a sample outline here. And I'm going to show you how I could create a body paragraph using the outline. So to be clear with this outline, each of these Roman numerals here stand for a paragraph. So this one is going to be my introduction paragraph. For more information on how to create an introduction for this paper, check out my tips in the announcement. Paragraph 2 is going to be the first paragraph of the body. Paragraph 3 is going to include these details, and that's going to be another body paragraph. Here we have number 4. That will be another body paragraph. And then as a conclusion, paragraph 5, I have my conclusion. So I'm just going to show you, for example, I'm going to choose to show you how to do this with paragraph 4. Okay. So I'm going to take this outline and I'm going to turn it into a paragraph. So this sentence that you've put next to the Roman numeral for these body paragraphs, specifically for most of you, this is going to be paragraph 2, 3, and 4. This opening sentence, if you wrote a sentence, that's your topic sentence. That's what you're going to begin with. So this is how I'm going to start it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, I should explain what I'm doing. I'm going to take this idea, this phrase, and turn it into a paragraph. Turn it into a sentence. So I've still got my topic sentence, and I said that the next thing I wanted to talk about was how I engage in reflection about everything after challenging the assumption that the way I was doing it was right, simply because that's the way I was doing it. And you can see I'm kind of revising my thoughts to get it exactly the way I want it. And you can see now, I wrote this section about how it's important to engage in reflection about everything, including how I do things in the classroom. And I've written sentences about those things, so I'm going to erase them. Now I need to incorporate the quote from the article. And I'm going to do a narrative citation here. So I'm going to bump the author up here. And I've got it ending on paragraph 6. And an important part of this is that you don't really want to end your paragraph on a quote from somebody else, you want to explain why you're incorporating that quote and really drive your point home. So and that's my paragraph. And you can see that what I did was I had my outline open as I did it, and I tried to write a sentence or two addressing each of the things that were in my outline. And from that, I created this lovely paragraph. And that's what you're going to want to do. And the really nice thing about an outline is that you can really, you can see that I didn't have to go in order because I had this clear outline with a quote in it that I wanted to incorporate. I started with my topic sentence and I went through all of the details I wanted to include, and I wrote basically my last body paragraph first. So that's one way that you can use these outlines to help you create the paragraphs. And I did just want to iterate to everybody, in case it wasn't clear, that each of these Roman numerals is standing for a paragraph in your paper. So when you put all of the details here, the expectation is that these details are going to go in this second paragraph. All of these ABC details. And like here, your third paragraph is going to start with this topic sentence, and all of these ABC pieces of information are going to be incorporated into that paragraph. So hopefully that demo helps you in understanding how to convert your own outlines, especially after you've been given feedback on them, into strong paragraphs in a draft.